Hey, this is Leah, and I'm going to show you how I implemented a jQuery front end for my Rails application called myKadima. I'm going to do this with the console open so that you can see when it's running GET requests and stuff like that. You can see where the jQuery has been implemented. So first I'm just going to log in to an account that I've already created. So it goes to your player profile. You can see in the profile it has a lot of stats for your games, and these are methods that I put into my Rails user model, and then I've passed them to JavaScript using my serializer, so you can get to that information. I've programmed most of my links to work via GET requests, or AJAX GET requests, so it's not reloading the page. So you can go to the profile. It is going to update your URL, but it's still not reloading. You can see all of your games. Click on a game, see the game's information. These buttons, see my games, also go back just using jQuery, so it's not reloading. You can also look at all your locations. It takes a while because there's a bunch in there, but and then here you can see information about the location. I don't have any games plugged in at this one. You can see it's been ranked 9 out of 9 since there's no games, the turf, and then if you click here it'll go back to your locations all without reloading. And then you can see there's relationships plugged in the serializer that you would also see in my Rails model. So because locations have many games and have many users through games, you can access some of that information. And that's how I got this too. And then if I look at the JSON, you can see these relationships. So this location, here's location information, the games and the game information, and also players that have played at this location. And these relationships go into the other statistics that I have going on, mostly on the users page. Let's go back. So it'll reload the information. It looks the same, but since this page has been reloaded after I hit enter, it's in my Rails show page right now. But I go back to see all locations and it renders the DOM without reloading. The only place that I am reloading is if I'm going to put in a form information. So adding a new game, editing my user, putting in locations. So we can test one of these out. Let's say I had 55 volleys. You can select a location. If we wanted to, you can type in a location name there and it'll add a new location automatically, but that's more for the Rails tutorial I have up. So let's say we played a game at Allen Park. It's going to be a multiplayer game. We played with 2 people that I know have usernames already. Say it's a short distance and create game. And then you can see that this page for the game data was rendered without reloading the page. So that's also rendering with Ajax. And then go back to see your games, and that's pretty much it. It works the same with edit. So I just made up this place, Bilbo's Cornfield in Hester. We'll just call it Hesterville. Update location. That is also updated the location in the database and then re-rendered the DOM using jQuery, so it didn't reload your page. And that's basically it. If you have any other questions about the back end of this application, watch my previous video and it goes more into the details of my Rails application. So thanks for watching and have a great day.